Hey Sherry, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through what the benefits of having your own website are and then show you how I would get that website ranked. So, right here at the top, I am on Google, and the keyword that I typed into the search bar is artificial grass El Paso. So, there are 450 different people typing in this exact keyword into Google every single month. So, if you were to convert just a few of those searches into customers every month, you would be doing really well for just one keyword. And like I said, this is just one keyword. There are actually hundreds of keywords that we can use that apply to what you do and where you do it. And so, in addition to just having a lot of different eyes on you, the benefit of having your own website is that you have an online presence, you have brand recognition, you can put out content that you choose, and you can really shape the way that people look at you. You can also have people come directly to you versus relying on Angie's List or Home Advisor, any of those directories to just give you leads. You can really forge your own path and create your entire whole destiny. And so it is pretty exciting. And now I kind of want to show you the different ways that I would get that website ranked. And so here is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. And so Sinlon is a huge national company. They are all over the country. So this is just their El Paso page. But if we actually go to their homepage, so the first thing I notice, other than their website design, which looks really good, is I go through here and I see how much content they have. And so Google is going to be ranking any website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You generally want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search and they have a little over 1,000. So they are right there with the amount of content they have. And if we actually were to take the time to read through all of their text, I'm sure that they have a good amount of high volume buyer intent keywords in there so that they can get themselves ranked for all of the right things. And so now going back to Google, I want to now pay attention to this Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is great. If you can make it into one of these top 3 spots, you are doing really well, especially as more and more people are searching for things off their phone. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So that would be an Angie's List or a Home Advisor, a Yelp. Those are online directories. You want to have your website linked to as many as possible. There are actually thousands of directories all over the web, but you definitely want to be on more of those than these 3 people are right here. So now paying attention back to the organic search results. The organic search results are going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in the search bar, they are going to click on one of these organic search results. So in addition to having good content with the appropriate amount of keywords, you also need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. So a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. Whenever you're on a website and you see a clickable text that when you click on it takes you to another website, that is a backlink. You want to get those backlinks from high powered and relevant websites. So if a really popular local construction company or paving company were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way to bring some more power to yours. So over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys ever try to build your own website and rank it, I highly recommend this tool. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of good information. So I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. They have 20,000 backlinks from 2,230 domains and are ranking organically for 15,800 different keywords. So I can actually click and see which keywords they are ranking for. So here it will list all of the keywords, how many people search for that keyword every month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so I can actually go through, see which ones are from El Paso. Generally, you want to pick keywords that are location specific. And so we can go through all of these and pick out the best ones that apply to what you do and incorporate those into your context. And so now I want to do the same thing that I just did with their keywords with their backlinks. And so they have around 20,000 different backlinks. That is a lot of backlinks. It would be hard to beat, but luckily we just need to beat their El Paso page. I have seen Sinlon in other areas where their pages are not ranking. So just because their entire site is really powerful doesn't mean that each individual page will rank. And so here we want to keep an eye out for backlinks that have a high DR. We can go through and find the best ones and try and snag them for your site. We don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, we want to beat them out with the quality. So we can find the best ones from here, from other competitors, and then find some other high quality links on our own. And so that is what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. To recap what we talked about, number one is we would want to make your site look really nice, but also make sure that it is filled with quality educational content with good keywords. Number two, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more high-powered relevant backlinks. So hopefully you enjoyed watching this. If you're interested in learning more, you can email me back or give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. Thank you.